Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce subscription costs with Netflix, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Netflix account on your preferred device. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Manage Profiles section to review your current subscriptions. Consider the number of profiles you have. If there are unused profiles, delete them to streamline your account. Next, assess your current streaming plan. Netflix offers different plans, such as Basic, Standard, and Premium. Evaluate if you truly need the highest tier. Switching to a lower tier can save you a significant amount each month. Check if you are sharing your account with family or friends. If so, make sure you're charging them a fair share for their usage. Now, take a look at your watch history. Identify shows or movies that you were interested in but never watched. Consider removing shows from your list to avoid unnecessary temptation. Next, explore your viewing habits. If you watch Netflix mainly during weekends, consider pausing your subscription during inactive months. When you're using your subscription less frequently, this can save you money over time. Another option is to consider a temporary subscription sharing arrangement with a friend. This will allow you to pay for half the costs while still enjoying full access. Make sure to communicate about shared viewing preferences to avoid conflicts. Lastly, keep an eye out for promotional offers. Occasionally, Netflix may provide discounts or trial periods that can help you save. By implementing these strategies, you'll significantly reduce your Netflix subscription costs while still enjoying your favorite content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.